one of the things that we have learned through all these years of trying these things is that the computer really is a great tool as long as you are in control of the tool and not the tool in control of you. Also, that CAD, for all it's good, is a very difficult system to work under, particularly at the beginning of the design process. So that's why the design process is, I guess, jump-started using what is, we are best at. Humans are our brains and our hands. That's what separates us from the rest of the species around us. Maybe our legs too, but we can't do very much with our legs in the studio. The other thing that we try to do in the studio is to approach the design process in a slightly different way than traditional methodologies. And I think it's always a good idea to shake our way of looking at the world. And this workshop, I think, tries to do that too. Not just to use the computer in a different way, but also to approach the design process in a different way, a non-traditional way. And I think the hope is that during this kind of very intense, almost immersed, diving into a totally different realm of exploration and activity, your mind begins to open up to other ways of doing things. Then new opportunities come. We were talking this morning with a group and saying, I don't understand, but we're producing this thing that's kind of working. And without even looking where you're working, the guy doing the digital model, the guy doing the analog model, it's kind of part of the same work, the same idea. And it's part of that, which is this kind of special mind. And I think if you really were there, and I think looking at what you have done during the 3 days, I think everybody at one point or another point were there. You have this ordinary, extraordinary sense of first, not knowing what time it is, being completely out there, not really having a sense of who you are. I mean, the whole process takes over you. It's almost like listening to great music. You just are out there.